What's up guys, it's Jojo's Puzzle, and today I'm going to do a 1,000 pieces jigsaw puzzle from Sherlock's Puzzles. The design of this ribbon cut puzzle is based from Jim Hensel's End of the Road. By the way, this is a time-lapse video for satisfying viewing experience. Let's begin! So here is it guys, it takes me 15 hours to finish this puzzle. If you have jigsaw puzzles that you want to share, you can send it to me through my email down in the description box below. Hope you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel for more jigsaw puzzle videos. Happy puzzling, peace!